Welcome to Brand Management course, Unit Product Development, topic Developing Product Strategy. What is product strategy? Product strategy defines what product should achieve and how that supports the organization and is brought to life through the product roadmap. Companies utilize the product strategy in strategic planning and marketing to identify the direction of the company's activities. A product strategy is the foundation for the entire product lifecycle. As product leaders develop and adjust their product strategy, zero in on target customers and what they need. This informs the strategic positioning necessary to achieve business success. The importance of product strategy are: it helps in deciding the exact steps to be taken in any event to make the product a success. It prepares the company for response by competitors or towards changing market conditions. It helps the company decide the target market and in market penetration. A product vision is formed, thereby setting the product on an independent path with a time-to-time intervention, allowing the company to focus on multiple products in a short time. What are the elements of product strategy? They are as follows: design, features, quality, branding, target market, and positioning. Let us understand how to develop a product strategy. A lot of product analysis is needed to develop a strategy. Besides product, you need to analyze your competitors, the market, various segments, so that you can come up with the right product strategy. Here are the 7 steps, starting with marketing mix. The product is the first important element of the product mix. If you have decided on a marketing segment to target, then product design plays a crucial role. This is because a change in the product brings a change in all the other elements of the marketing mix, be it a service or a product. The marketing mix majorly depends on the product for other aspects like promotions, place, and price. You need to consider the marketing mix while deciding on the product strategy. You also need to consider various aspects of the product, such as product line and length, what would be the packaging of the product, and what kind of labeling will be involved. In essence, the core aspects of the product and its contribution to the marketing mix is decided in the step. For example, while deciding on an electronic product strategy, you need to decide the various product line and length that a single model will have. You also need to decide the packaging and labeling to use, besides considering the effect of all these expenses on the marketing mix. Second one, levels of product. A product has 3 levels, which includes the core product, the actual product, and the augmented product. A marketer needs to assume the various levels of product while deciding the product strategy. Example, a machine manufacturer or an equipment manufacturer needs to give service along with the product to the end customer. If the manufacturer does not give service, then the product will not sell. Hence, at such a time, the manufacturer has to understand the important role of the augmented product in the product strategy. Without the various levels of the product, their proper implementation of the product strategy can fail. The third step is type of products. The product you are designing will be of which type? There are various types of products. 4 of these types are discussed. However, while deciding the product strategy, you need to consider what is the type you want to target. Some of them are durable products or non-durable products, shopping goods or specialty goods or convenience goods, industrial goods or consumer goods, service products. Deciding on the type of the product can help you in determining how to penetrate your target market. Segmentation, targeting, positioning is an important step in the strategy, but this step will clear your mind on which segment you are going to target, because the product is restricted to that segment only. The fourth step is differentiation. There are various possibilities to differentiate a product or to differentiate services. However, to make it simpler, here are the features which you can use to differentiate a product or a service: product form and product features, product performance levels, reliability, repairability or durability, style and design, ordering with ease or ease of installation, customer service, or warranties and guarantee. These are critical decision making elements for any consumer, and by creating differentiation at the product level, the product strategy becomes a sound strategy to compete on the competitor's products. For example, American Tourister is known for its durable luggage. The same goes for Woodland shoes. These are brands which have targeted product reliability and durability as a differentiating factor right from the product strategy stage. As a result, their complete marketing strategy is focused towards one direction, promoting their products as far superior than competition due to their differentiation factor. The fifth step is brand elements. Brand identity and brand image are important consideration for the success of any company. Naturally, when deciding on the product strategy, you need to decide the brand elements for the product. There can be numerous branding elements involved, thereby giving more recognition for the product and accumulating more respect in the market. For example, iPhone has a brand, has several elements which can help differentiate between the genuine products versus a fake one. It has a unique serial number, patented design, aesthetics, patented interface, etc. The logos are unique too, thereby clearly helping the customers pick the right product. Such brand elements are important for the recognition and adoption of the product in the market, and they need to be created at the product strategy and the product design stage itself. The sixth step is product design. Quite simply, a computer is a generic product name, whereas desktops and laptops are all variants of a computer. The only difference between laptops and desktop is the product design. Both of them have CPU and both of them have monitors. Thus, product design plays a crucial role in the success of the product and should be given due consideration while designing the product strategy. The technology market is built on product design. That is why smartphones have become a major crowd puller because of their differing aesthetics. If we want to talk about product design, we just cannot ignore the fashion industry, which is completely dependent on the design of the product to build its brand identity. Fashion labels like Gucci, Armani, and others spend a fortune getting the design right. The last step is product mix. Sometimes a single product might not make the cut, but its product's variant might be an instant hit. Take shampoos for example. Most in demand shampoo are the anti-dandruff shampoo. However, besides this, most of the top shampoo brands have a variety of products on offer with minor differences in ingredients. These are nothing but a combination of the product mix. In essence, to cater to all the various types of customers out there, a company can come up with a complete brand mix so that each customer is satisfied with different variants of the same product. Because a huge market share is covered with almost the same product, product mix needs to be considered strongly in the product strategy stage. When all this information is in hand, then the timeline matters. At the launch of the product, you need your marketing mix in place. Once you notice the rise of the product, you can decide on the type of the product mix you want to introduce in the market to encourage further purchase and to improve brand equity of the product. As said before, a product strategy helps you prepare for the future of the product and to give the right targeted direction to the product. When you have combination of multiple products and various product mix, the product strategy becomes very critical to make sense and to have the right tactics up your sleeve for each product.